So this is the Codonics SLS500i system. It's one of my favorite tools in the OR. I'm going to show you guys how to get through this, log in, and everything like that. All right, so let's get started with how to make a user badge. First thing we're going to do is, if the screensaver's on, we're going to touch the screen and you should come to this screen. We're going to hit this middle button, make user badge. We can then type in our name, but here's my little hack. We don't really need a name so much as we just need initials on here. So I'm going to type in my initials, and we do need a name, so I'm just going to type my initials again, along with a user ID, 1. This does not matter whatsoever. And then I'm going to hit print. It will display kind of a preview of what it's printing out. Like I said, the ID for this institution doesn't matter. And so we're going to spit out a label. And the important thing on this label is going to be these little codes off to the side. So here's essentially what's been made, right? It's got my name, basically my initials, that are going to be printed on each label that you print out. And then the ID that I said doesn't matter. So in order to log in with this, all I'm going to do, and I've attached this to I've essentially attached this to my physician badge on here. And so when I come to work, I just flip open my badge, I take my deal, and I lay it down, and that's how I log in. So that literally, without talking, would take me maybe 5 seconds to do. And now I spit out a user badge that this will work indefinitely, right, with the way we run our system here.